Authentic Bengali Rasgulla recipe, how to make homemade village-style sweet delight. Namaste everyone. Welcome back to our multi-recipes and cookeries channel, the place where we explore the delightful world of homemade recipes. Today, we're diving into the heart of Bengal to bring you an authentic recipe for a sweet treat that's loved across the country, Rasgulla. But not just any Rasgulla, we're going to show you how to make it in the traditional village style. So, let's get started. Ingredients laid out on the table. 1 liter full-fat milk. 1 tablespoon lemon juice. 1 cup ice cubes. 1 cup sugar. 4 cups water. A pinch of cardamom powder. Chopped pistachios for garnish, optional. Step 1. Preparing chenna. To start, we'll need to prepare fresh chenna, the key ingredient for our rasgulla. Begin by bringing 1 liter of full-fat milk to a gentle boil. Show host pouring lemon juice into the boiling milk. Once the milk starts boiling, add 1 tablespoon of lemon juice to curdle the milk. Show the milk curdling and the separation of whey. Now, strain the mixture through a muslin cloth or cheesecloth to separate the chenna from the whey. Step 2. Kneading the chenna. Transfer the chenna to a clean surface and knead it for about 10 to 15 minutes until it becomes soft and smooth. Show host kneading the chenna and explaining the consistency. The consistency of the chenna is crucial for the texture of our rasgulla, so make sure it's soft and without any lumps. Step 3. Shaping the rasgulla. Now, let's shape our rasgulla. Keep the size uniform for even cooking. We're aiming for bite-sized delights. Step 4. Preparing sugar syrup. In a wide pan, combine 1 cup of sugar with 4 cups of water and bring it to a boil. Show host stirring the sugar syrup. Stir until the sugar completely dissolves, and then add a pinch of cardamom powder for that extra flavor. Step 5. Cooking the rasgulla. Gently place the rasgulla balls into the boiling sugar syrup. Cover and let them cook on medium heat for 15 to 20 minutes. Step 6. Final touch. Allow the rasgullas to cool in the sugar syrup for some time. You can garnish them with chopped pistachios for a festive touch. And there you have it, our homemade village-style Bengali Rasgulla is ready to be savored. Here are some of the positive aspects associated with consuming Bengali Rasgulla. Rich in calcium and protein, the main ingredient of Rasgulla is chenna, which is a fresh cheese made from curdled milk. This makes Rasgulla a good source of calcium and protein, essential for maintaining healthy bones and muscles. Energy boost. The sugar content in Rasgulla provides a quick source of energy. This can be particularly beneficial when you need an energy boost, making it a suitable treat for special occasions or festive celebrations. Moderate caloric content. While it's important to consume sweets in moderation, Rasgulla, when eaten in appropriate portions, can be a part of a balanced diet. It provides a sweet indulgence without excessively high caloric intake. Cultural significance. Food is deeply tied to culture, and enjoying traditional sweets like rasgulla can foster a sense of connection to one's cultural roots. It can be a way to celebrate and share cultural heritage with others. Ingredients and preparations methods are in the description box. If you did, don't forget to hit the like button, share this video, and subscribe our multi-recipes and cookeries channel for more delicious recipes. Until next time, happy cooking. Thank you very much Rasgulla sweet lovers.